For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. This whole week we've been talking about different prefixes, so today you're going to play the matching game or a memory game and find words that have matching prefixes. When you find those matches, you want to type those in the matching row. Let's do a couple or one together. So you've seen this game board before, but let's go ahead and do one. I'm going to click and drag this. I found the word unison, so I'm going to be looking for the exact same prefix of UNI. I'm going to click up here. Let's see if I got a match. I did. So this word is unicycle and unison. They both have UNI as their prefix, so I found a match. I'm going to go ahead and click over here and type unicycle first. UNICYCLE. My match to unicycle, same prefix with unicycle is unison. Sorry. There we go. Unison, UNISON. So I found one match here. You need to go through the rest of these cards, find the rest of the matches. You should have 8 matches in total. Check your spelling before you click submit assignment to your teacher.